This topic is an interrogative sentence. We have to learn how to convert an assertive, that is a normal statement, into interrogative sentence. There are three simple steps to follow. First, identify that in the question, the assertive sentence that is given is positive or negative. So it might be positive. So positive means no, not, these words are not used. Or it can also be negative, which means no, not, do not, does not, these words are used in the sentence. If we find that in the question there is positive sentence, so first, in case of positive sentence, it needs to be converted into a negative sentence and then form the question out of it, which means if the assertive sentence is positive, then the interrogative sentence will be negative. Similarly, if the assertive sentence is negative, then it will be positive when we are converting the sentence into its respective interrogative sentence. This is the rule. Now we'll come to the question. Change the following assertive sentence into interrogative. The question given is: the beauty of Switzerland is beyond description. The first step is identify the be form of verb if there is any. Here there is. This is the be form of verb. So after the be form of verb, we have to add a not in order to make it a negative sentence. That is, the beauty of Switzerland is not beyond description. So this is the respective negative sentence. Now, simply the rule is the be form of verb comes first in case of interrogative sentence. So over here, is not, this word will be brought down here. Is not. We will start the sentence with is not. That is, in short, it is called isn't. So isn't comes in front. See, isn't. And then the rest of the sentence is copied as it is. The beauty of Switzerland, the beauty of Switzerland, beyond description, beyond description. Next, number 2. Everybody has learnt from Newton. First, convert this sentence into negative because there is no not given. So first, see the be form of verb over here is has. Over here we've got has. So it will become hasn't, has not. So we will add a not here in order to make it a negative sentence. So everybody has not learned from Newton. So has not is written as hasn't. So this has not together is brought in front. It becomes hasn't. And then the rest of the sentence is copied. Everybody learned from Newton, learned from Newton. Next, she has her breakfast at 8 every morning. Over here, has is not a be form of verb. It is a normal verb. That is the main verb. Over here, has means eating. So that is written as has or have. So she has her breakfast at 8 every morning. Since there is no be form of verb in this sentence, in order to make it a negative sentence, we have to write she does not have. Has will become have. So she does not have her breakfast at 8 every morning. Now, since the sentence has become negative, we have to convert this sentence into interrogative sentence. So see, we will start the sentence with does not. Does not is written as doesn't. So doesn't she, and then has becomes have as per the requirement. So doesn't she have her breakfast at 8 every morning? So we write it this way. Next, number 4. Is it useless to cry over spilt milk? Over here, identify the be form of verb, that is. Add a not in the sentence because we have to convert a positive sentence into negative. So it is not useless to cry over spilt milk. Now, is not is written as isn't. So see, in the sentence we will start with isn't. So isn't, and the rest of the sentence is copied. It, then useless to cry over spilt milk. Next, number 5. Kashmir is known for its natural beauty. Again, be form of verb is. Insert a not here to make it negative. So Kashmir is not known for its natural beauty. Is not is written in short as is it. and rest of the sentence is copied as it is. So Kashmir is not known for its natural beauty becomes isn't Kashmir known for its natural beauty. Next. No one worships the setting sun. Over here there is no be form of verb. So this is also a positive sentence. Make it negative. So we will make it negative like no one. So over here no is a negative word. So we have to make it positive. In order to make it positive, we have to make certain changes. No becomes any in order to make a sentence positive. Because we can't write no. If we write no, it will become positive. And we have to make the sentence positive, not negative. So no becomes any. Now anyone worships the setting sun. So we will start with does. Why? Because there is no be form of verb. So does anyone worship? Over here worships become worship. Why? Because here there was no one. No one is a singular subject. So in singular subject the verb is s is added to the verb. But in case of plural, that is anyone, in case of that the verb will not have an s. So that is why worships become worship. And rest of the sentence is the same. So does anyone worship the setting sun? Now next, number 7. Gulliver could hear his watch ticking in his pocket. Again, the sentence is positive sentence. So first convert it into negative sentence. So Gulliver could not, add a not here, could not hear his watch ticking in his pocket. Now be form of verb is could not. So it will come in front. Could not is written as couldn't. So couldn't Gulliver hear his watch ticking in his pocket. Rest part of the sentence remains the same. And there is a question mark. Next, number 8. It was a great show. So again, was is the be form of verb. Add a not after it to make it negative. So it was not a great show. Now was not is written as wasn't. So wasn't it a great show? Question mark. Number 9. No one can bear this burden. Over here, the sentence begins with no, which means it is a negative sentence. We have to make it a positive sentence. So, no becomes any in order to make a negative sentence positive, as I told you earlier. So, and can is my be form of verb. So, we will start with can and we will change no to any. So, my no one becomes anyone and can is placed first. So, can anyone bear this burden? Last one, number 10. There is nothing impressive about this painting. Nothing impressive. So, no. Again, no word is used, which means it's a negative sentence. You have to make it positive. So, no is replaced with any. And be form of verb is is. So, we will start the sentence with is. So, is there anything impressive about the painting? So, no becomes any. The sentence becomes, is there anything impressive about this painting?